Okay, welcome back to Two Countries, One Kitchen. It's me again, Aiden, and my grandma Nane. So today we're gonna be making muffins. So we got eggs, vanilla, baking powder, milk, yogurt, sugar, these things, the stuff for muffins, chocolate chips, oil, sprinkles, flour, and we got bowl.
Yeah, okay.
So first,
Hi guys.
okay, now we first crack the eggs. So
Tako ovdje. Ja sad upala te malo, ok?
no, don't forget.
Moraš da paziš, ok?
Yeah.
Jel još?
Ima yes.
Ok, aj pazi. Možeš ovdje. Ili together eggs, kako ti je Nana učila together.
Oh yeah,
Ok,
this one.
yeah. Ok, to je dobro.
Okay.
Ok, što su dobra jaja. Vidi kako se žute.
Okay.
Jel ćeš oprat ruke? Aj,
Yeah,
fair.
I'll go wash it.
Go fair. Dobrodošli u moj video. Hvala. Hvala vam što me pratite. Hvala od srca. Subscribe. Zapratite me. Komentarišite. Bilo bi mi drago više komentara da bude. Evo ja i moj unuk sad pravimo neke kolače. Sad ću ja, nismo mi to napravili kameru. Eto. On je pričao, ali nisam zaboravila ja kameru da namjestim. Ok, sad on. Troje jaja. Je li tako, Edina?
Yeah.
Troje jaja. Ajde, sad ćemo dodati jogurt. Čašu jogurta. Ti polako miješaj. Doćemo čašu mlijeka. Ok. I šećer. Imamo ovdje 7 kašika šećera. Sad miješaj. I dodat ćemo ulje. Jednu manju čašicu ulja. Polako samo ne nađi naočar. Ne znam nađi da se staviti.
So right now we cracked the eggs, poured yogurt, milk, and oil and sugar.
Okay.
We're mixing it.
Ja. A sad će Nana pomoći malo da izmiješa.
She's gonna do a little bit.
Ajde, dodaj sad vanilin šećer.
Yeah.
Vanilin šuker. Stićemo ovdje, pa ćemo sve zajedno to baciti.
Yeah.
Ok, sad ćemo dodavati brašno. Ti polako miješaj. Nana će dodavati brašno. Samo polako nemoj da prospeš. smo 5 kašika. Sad ćemo ovo izmuti. Nek samo muti to pa ćemo moramo dodati još brašna.
Now we're putting baking powder inside the cup of flour.
Ok, ostav ovdje.
Now she's gonna pour it while I keep mixing.
Malo ćemo izmiješati brašna. Ajde sad miješaj. Miješaj, miješaj.
Okay, now we're gonna be putting the plastic stuff for the muffins into the tray. So while she keeps mixing it.
Ovako tijesto treba da bude. Nije previše rijetko, ni previše gusto. Ok. Ajde, požuri. Požuri kuhar, požuri.
Yeah.
Požuri kuhar. Ok. Hoću sad ja stavljati ovdje.
Yeah.
Sad će Nana da stavi. Prvo ćemo stavljati ove plain, ja?
Yeah.
Stavimo ove plain. Pa dvije ove kaškice. Amar nam neće da kuha sa nama više.
Yeah.
On jednom skuho i
Oh,
to je
yeah.
to.
If you guys want to try and make this, you can also buy whipped cream. And once you're done, you could like put it over the bun, and then you could put whatever like sprinkles or like chocolate chips like we are. And yeah.
Ja. Puno smo mi napravili.
Yeah.
Puno smo napravili.
We baked a lot. So there's gonna be a lot of leftovers.
Ok, no, napravit ćemo nešto. Nešto ćemo drugo napraviti. Sad trebamo da izmiješamo ove chocolate chips cookies. Samo sekundu. I vraćamo se.
Okay, now we're gonna mix the chocolate chips with this. So here we go.
Ok. Tako.
There's a little bit more.
Ja, ovako ostaje. Super.
A little bit of mine.
I sad ćemo dalje dostavljamo u ove
Because
preostale.
we got 6 plain and now we're gonna pour 6 chocolate chips. I'll put this in soon.
Ok.
Let me see. Oh, it's all the way up there. Never mind.
Dođi kuhar, vamo gledaj kako se radi.
Yeah. And we're gonna put these after they're done cooking. Okay, there we go. Now we're gonna put it in the oven.
And we're gonna bake how long? 15 minutes.
Okay, it's done heating up. Now I'm gonna open the oven.
It's baked, I didn't.
Baked, yeah, whatever. It's done heating, baked, whatever.
It's baked, I didn't. Okay.
Now
You forgot, it's baked.
I'll be closing the oven again.
Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna let it warm up for like about like 10.
Warm up.
Cool off.
What's wrong with you?
Okay, well, we're gonna let it cool off for either for 10, 5 minutes, and then we're gonna be trying it.
Okay.
So stay for part 5 or.
We will be back, huh?
Yeah. Now we're gonna try it. Here it is.
It's yummy?
Yeah, it's good.
Yummy, okay.
Bye,
Our
guys.
cupcakes, not done yet. We're not done yet. Let's spray a little bit.
Okay, yeah.
You remember, you want to put over yours those, how do you call those things?
Whipped cream, then
No, not whipped cream, those things.
sprinkles.
Sprinkles, yeah. You want to put sprinkles, but he doesn't like those, and he skip. He just
Yeah.
leave the plain.
Yeah.
Okay, that's so delicious.
Yeah.
But it's so warm and we cannot try. A little bit, but let's wait.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye, guys.
Thank you for watching us.
Subscribe, comment, share.
See you next video.
Bye.
Bye bye.